Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Today we're going to review the common motor carb kit for the Honda CL and the CB350s. So let's get into it. Now the gaskets it comes with, you have the early style float bowl and the mid to late style float bowls, so they got you covered there. The jets that come with it are the stock 68 secondary. These are 72s secondary. These here are 115 mains, and these are 120 mains. It also comes with 4 needle shims. Now I already rejetted, the first attempt of rejetting this bike. These are the stock jets that came out of it. These are 68 secondaries, and these are the 105 mains that came with the bike. The ones I have in now are 70 secondary jets and 110 on the mains. And as you saw in the video, it's still not quite right, so we're going to go up in size, at least on the mains for now. So let's get that done. Now that kit that I just showed you for carburetors just like this. This is a carburetor you would see on the CLs and the CBs and probably the SLs, although I'm not sure. I imagine they're the same thing. This is a Keenan CV carburetor. Now you can change the jets while this is still on the bike. You don't have to take it off, and how I made that a little easier is by taking these JIS screws that would normally come with it, holding the float bowl on, and swapping them out for Allen heads like this, similar to this, which makes it a lot easier. Well, it's a little bit. These are Allen heads, so we got to get them off so we can change the jets. Alright, so I rejetted the right side carburetor, so that's all ready to go. I got a jump pack all set up. Now, once again, I went from the stock jets, 68 105s to 70 110s, and now I have 115s on the main, so let's see what we got now. Alright, so I'm thinking that is a lot better. I'm very happy with that. As you can see, as I was blipping the throttle, it came right back down to idle, which I was having problems with before. So I'm thinking that's definitely a step in the right direction. It may not be perfect, but it's definitely better than what it was. Now I've had people tell me that these are not the greatest choice of mufflers for this bike, and they're probably right. It is extremely loud. It sounds like a Harley at idle, which is not a bad thing. But like I said, I'm definitely happy with that. Big thumbs up on the Carb kit. Another great product from Common Motor. You get it right off their website. I think it was only like 50 bucks. And can't say enough good things about it. So if you're thinking of get one. You won't regret it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think my next step should be. Should I change out the muffler? Should I go up another jet size? I know I still have the 120s. So let me know what you think. So I'm going to end the video here. Until next time, thanks for watching.